Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So, in this video, let's talk about, client success is your success, okay? So, I believe that client success is your success. Let me tell you a story. So, for me, um, a lot of my clients have my direct cell phone number. And oftentimes I get a text message at some time in the morning, hey, I got a client, or at night, hey, I got a client. Hey, thanks so much for showing me the strategy. X amount of people signed up for my webinar. X amount of people purchased from my webinar. Hey, my community is growing. My group is growing. All these different things. And it's constantly making me feel better, right? I'm constantly in a positive mode. I'm constantly thinking better. That's exactly what we do, as coaches. We help our clients improve their life, and they tell people about it. They tell not only us, but they tell their friends, and then we're able to get referrals. Then we're able to grow our business, and we don't have to pay as much in marketing as other people who do a bad job because our work speaks for itself. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have not already, feel free to go join my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where we step by step show you exactly how to start moving forward, in your life, and how to move forward and get more of what you want. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day.